This might be the most controversial pizza recipe you'll ever see. Why, you ask? Because it's too easy, too fast, too delicious to be true. But it is. Forget everything you thought you knew about making pizza. This air fryer tortilla pizza is so good, it might just replace your favorite takeout. Bon appetit. So creamy and a wonderful sweetness from the bell peppers that I sautéed. The sausage, the pepperoni, tastes just like pizza with less calories. Let's get cooking. Welcome back to my channel. I figured we'd do something fun today. And we're gonna make tortilla pizza. And more than likely, because of making tacos at home, you probably have some flat flour tortilla at home already. And more than likely you have some pizza sauce or some pasta sauce. You can substitute that or marinara sauce. And you probably even have some pepperoni if you do pizza quite often with the kids. Whatever cheese, mozzarella cheese you have at home, use that. I prefer fresh mozzarella, so I always have that on hand. But use what you have. And we always have to give them a little veggie, right? So we want to throw a little bit of basil on there for our greenery and some bell peppers. I have kids like colors, so red bell peppers and some Parmesan cheese. Shaved is nicer than grated, but you can use grated as well. And some sausage. So I use turkey crumbles because they're smaller. And this will be a great lunch for you, for the kids. And I went the low carb way. So if you're doing, the ketogenic diet, you can have this. This has 0 net carbs on it. So, or, use whichever tortilla you have at home then. Here are a list of ingredients. So we're going to get right into making our pizza. Now, because this is the low carb one, it's a lot thinner. It almost reminds me as thin as it is as the siesta one, which is the gluten-free one made out of almond flour, because it's really, really thin. So we're going to have to be careful not to overfill my pizza. We're going to cook it in the air fryer, which is fantastic because it allows you to eat quickly and continue to do whatever you're doing with the kids while it cooks in the air fryer. So I decided to do a stuffed pizza, and what I did was take some pizza sauce, or you can use pasta sauce if that's all you have, and put some mozzarella cheese underneath it and add another tortilla on the top. And with this one, since this is our white pizza and this is our meat pizza, this one just has the ricotta and it has the mozzarella underneath it. And so here with our white one, we just put ricotta cheese and we just spread it out just like that, like so. I put my pizza sauce here. Okay, so now I've spread this out. So now let's get ready with, here's my mozzarella cheese, my fresh mozzarella cheese. Just, put it, you can put as little or as much as you want. Your pizza, honey. So you do what you want. No one's going to tell you what to do. I'll do for here my ricotta. Putting the ricotta cheese here. I did that. I did the ricotta. So now I'm putting my mozzarella. And this is our white pizza. So it's kind of, it's going to get jazzed up with the red of the bell peppers. So, which I will put after. See, now this pizza is all done up. So let's put our bell peppers. And then we will, no meat on this. Just our wonderful veggies here. I sauteed them already. So let's get our vegetables in here. And then put I'm going to do the basil last because my leaves are really small and I don't want them to burn. So right before they come out, I might actually just put it fresh, to be honest with you, when they come out. So that's that white pizza. And I am done with my mozzarella. And so let's get into the meat. Our pepperoni. Let's not be stingy with pepperoni if we got. For pepperoni lovers. There we go. And then there we go. Sausage sprinkle in the middle. That way. Yeah, and that's it. And then now, like I said, I'll just put the basil when it comes out. And then we're going to put that in our air fryer. Here's our vitamin content. So this pizza will have to go to my other air fryer oven because it cannot fit in my little square Ninja. So it's going to go on my oyster, which has the basket, like the fry basket, like this. For $3.75 for about 12 minutes. Because mozzarella cheese takes a little bit longer, fresh mozzarella cheese, to melt. Well, I am going to cut our ricotta first pizza with my mezzaluna. All right, and then now we're going to cut meat pizza. And let's dig in. I'm going to go with ricotta first. Remember, this was stuffed. So, bon appetit. So creamy. Like sweetness from the bell peppers that I sautéed. It's so good. Really good. Okay, so now let's go for our pepperoni. The middle layer has cheese and pasta sauce and Parmesan. This one had the ricotta, as well as a fresh mozzarella. The sausage, the pepperoni. It tastes just like pizza with less calories because you're using the 0-carb tortilla. So good. More affordable than buying pizza out. You get to make it the way you want. You know exactly what's going in it. So good. So, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Welcome. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. And also, I want to take my time to thank you for hanging out with me today. And comment below and tell me what you'd like to put on your pizzas. And I will see you in my next video. And remember, health is wealth, and be good to yourself. Mwah.